Hi there, so we have a 2012 SLK CDI 250 AMG R172, and guess what, it's got these horrible C-pillar black pieces on. I'm going to replace them with these brand new shiny ones from Mercedes. I've heard on the R171s these things slide up, but actually on the 172 does the opposite. Now what you've got here is the camera sitting on the roof looking down towards the boot. The boot is open. This is the top of the trim, this is the bottom of the trim, and what I found is if you lift the bottom corner down here and slide down, the whole thing just lifts away very, very easily. Now to replace the piece, it's simply a case of get it down the bottom end, get it in position, work its way up, push up, and then push that bottom corner down just to lock it in place. I'll try that now. And there we go, nice and locked in place. And finally, let's just have a look at the difference between these two. There's the old one with all the scuffing and marks on it, and the new one looking absolutely fabulous.